Welcome again, guys, to Old Time Cooking TV. Happy New Year to you all. So this evening is Thursday evening, and I have decided to prepare some roast fish, sweet corn, and crushed Irish. So here with me is my daughter assisting me, and as you can see right there, she is applying the melted butter on the corn. So we have gone ahead already to season the fish, wrap them in foil paper. We had them on the bottom stage there where the corns are, and those are partially roasted, so we put them on the upper part to get just the heat. So the fact that the corn takes longer to cook, we now have the corns at the bottom, and this is really going to be a delicious meal. It's not heavy, just a roast fish with a spoon of the crushed Irish, a piece of corn, a cup of juice, and you are good. So there she is, turning the corns just to get a little char on it, and it is so delicious with that char flavor from the grill, and the melted butter. Very, very delicious. And you soon see, we're going to take the fish when it is finished from the foil paper, and we're going to plate it, and you're going to see how beautiful that looks. Can I tell you, it smells so great. She's applying some more butter now. That's the final touch on the corn. So she's applying the rest of the melted butter, and here you go. This is when we dished it out, and here is the finished dish, looking so good, smells so good. You can see the heat coming from the mashed potato, and with the mashed potato we had butter to it, a little mayonnaise, and it tasted so good. You can try this at home. Very easy, very simple. You can try it. This was for three of us, and trust me, we had a wonderful time. Kindly like this video, kindly share, and if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe so we can build this platform. All the best to you until our next video. Take care, guys. See you in our next video.